Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to walk through the final, code execution steps and on the demonstration along with the high-level coding part of the JSON product. So, what you will be requiring is the folder by name JSON final codes, which you can take it offline from me. So, it contains the entire source code of our project. So, and also, the queries required to run the database tables we need in our project. So, affiliate app.var, asp.var and spring.var are the three applications we are going to develop. These three var files are the source code of our application. Three different applications we are developing, and queries.txt will be containing the queries required to create the tables we are using in our project. Okay, so let me walk you through the step-by-step procedure to install our project and execute it. Then let me come back and give a high-level idea about the coding part. So what you need to do is you need to keep ready with the blank Eclipse first. Let me delete everything. So you need to open Eclipse in a new workspace, provided you don't have anything now. So and also you need to open MySQL client. So the first step what you need to do is you need to execute whatever is present in queries.txt. You need to select all, copy, and you need to run it in after logging into MySQL you need to run that one, hit enter. So all the tables required to run our project has been created now. Now you can go back to Eclipse and install a new server. We need Tomcat 7. Okay. So and then you need to import these three var files. One by one you need to import these three var files. Okay. So I'll right click, import var file. Okay. I'll select affiliate app.var. Directly click finish. I'll select asp.var. Directly click finish. And I'll select spring.var. And directly click finish. Okay, so now I have all the three var files been installed. So the only change you need to do in our project is under ASP, under Java resources, src, com AKLC util, you need to just update your database password. So currently it will be containing my database password. You need to change it to your database password. Soon after you change it to your database password, you can go and start your server. Okay, and after starting your server, you need to add and remove all the three applications into the server, and to be on safer side you need to once again restart the server. Okay, so soon after you have done that one, you can right click on ASP and you can simply run as a run on server. Click on finish. So it will be opening it inside the browser present within Eclipse, but you should be copying the URL and mandatorily you should be executing it in a physical browser like Chrome or Mozilla, whatever it is. Okay. So now if you can see, this is the landing page for our project, which is just an index.jsp. So it just contains the title of our project and some developers information, some footers, like that, some textual static files. Okay. So you need to go for about the details of our project will be mentioned here along with the architecture diagram and the modules breakdown. Okay, and about the developers, like who developed this application, all those things will be present here. So the first step what you need to do is you need to go to users, customer, you need to get the affiliate ID. Okay, if you haven't created the affiliate ID with Flipkart, you need to create one here. Okay, but if you have already created an affiliate ID, you can directly log in. Okay, I have already created, I'm logging in directly. So once you people have logged in, so under my affiliate API feeds, API token, okay, there will be the affiliate ID and affiliate token. Okay, you need to note them. And now come back to our application. Now you need to register a new account. Okay, I'm registering a new account saying my ID is celestialcluster@gmail.com. Password is 1234. First name happens to be Ashok. Last name happens to be Kumar. Gender male and date of birth. And affiliate ID, you need to be very careful that you need to just copy and paste it. Never try to type it. And token also should be very careful. Don't copy the white spaces. Just copy and paste it. So now you have registered as a new account. Okay, now you can log in. Okay, log in with the ID you created right now. celestial cluster and 1 2 3 4. So now it says that greeting message, welcome message. Okay, once the user have logged in, here are the various options he can do. If you can click on build, so a unique website will be created for me, especially for me, so that will be showcasing all the Flipkart products. Okay, so this is the website that built for me, containing all the Flipkart products. So you can copy it and you can paste it here. So as you can see, it is creating a wonderful site for me containing all the products from Flipkart. Okay, so what you need to do is you can visit any one of the products. So this is the category page what you are seeing. Just a minute. Sorry, there was a small mistake over there. So now if you can reload that one, if you can click on that bags, wallets and belts, so it shows the list of all the products under that category like this. So this is the products page. So if you click on more details, so detail about one specific product will be shown here, like the original price, and then the offer price and the discount of it. So in the description, if it is available, it will show also the related products. So our magnifying tool, if you mouse around that, it will show the the magnified version of that image, so that you can see it more clearly. So like that, it will work for all the categories as well. Okay, you can click on details for getting the more details of it. You can see the original price is 299, offer price is 97, so the discount happens to be 67%. Okay, so here the description is available and the delivery time is not known, so the entire details will be shown here. So if the user clicks on buy button, so it will take the user to the original Flipkart website. Okay, so if you see the all products here, so click on any one of them. Okay, click on buy. So click on buy, so it will go to the official Flipkart product. So there the user will be purchasing the product. If the user purchases the product from here, the one who had built this application will be benefited. I mean, in my case, this guy. Okay, I will be benefited. I will be getting a commission from the Flipkart. Okay, so this is about the build module, and the campaigning module is used to invite people. Okay, so to visit my web page. Okay, so for example, all you need to do is you need to just give the email ID of your customers in a comma separated. So I'll be giving 2 email IDs right now. So it will be a valid email ID, and I'll click on send invitations. So now this would advertise my product, okay, to all my customers. Okay, so now let me go there and check my email. So let me go to gmail.com. So for AKLC 2015, so there you few people can clearly see I got an email from ASP, Flipkart affiliate application created for Celestial Cluster. So there it will provide me a link where my customers will simply click on that link, and they will be taken it to the page we created so far, and they will be making a purchase. So they will be directly making a purchase in this way. Okay, from Flipkart, right? So the one more ID that I created was, that I mentioned in the campaign was, Ashok Kumar 24788. So even he will be, getting an email. Okay, so even you can purchase like that. So we are spreading the word to our entire customers to visit our site and purchase it. Okay, so that's about the campaign module. So hope the project installation and the execution part was clear. So now coming to the high level, the code explanation, right? So if you people can see here, our entire project is divided into 3 sub products. Okay, one is the affiliate app, ASP and Spring. Okay, so all you need to remember is what the customer will be accessing is ASP, affiliate service application. Okay, so it will be sending the request to our Spring application. The Spring application will be building that affiliate app. Okay, so Spring is actually an integration between ASP and affiliate app. Okay, so for example, our ASP is our main concern. Okay, so all the three applications happens to be the dynamic server-side applications, where it will be containing two end of operation, like the front end and the back end. Okay, so all the front end codes will be present under web content, all the back end code will be present under Java resources. Okay, so in the front end web content, you can see it contains about.jsp. Like, if you log out, so there is something called about, right? So this entire page has been coming from about.jsp. So all you have in the front end is just a content. Okay, there will be no business logic, nothing involved over there, only the content. So for example, if you want to change any of these things, you need to just copy it. Okay, and select, search in that file about.jsp where it is coming from. Okay, and you need to just change it. Okay, so just modify it. Okay, and after that you can simply go there and refresh it, so it will get updated. So it is just a content, you need to just find out where it is coming from and you can update it directly. So we all the presentation part will be present here, like all the front end screens will be present here. Okay, so this is for about, this is for admin welcome, like if the admin have logged into our application, this page will be shown. Okay, this welcome will be for user welcome, if the user have logged into our page, this page will be shown. Okay, this is the registration file, this is the the login file for admin, and this is the login file for customer, like that. Okay, in the backend, if you can see, we have multiple packages over there, where each package will be containing a Java files. Okay, the first package, let us understand, is com AKLC util. Com AKLC util will be containing a file called dbhelper. So this file will be containing a method to get the connection and close the connection from the database. So you people would be aware of something called DAO layer. So DAO layer will be containing three packages: com AKLC util, com AKLC pojo, and com AKLC DAO. So com AKLC util will just contain dbhelper to get the connection and to close the connection from the database. Com AKLC pojo will contain the mapping from the database table to the Java program, and com AKLC DAO will contain the implementation and the interface both. Okay, the interface will just contain the methods like writing the new user, updating the existing user, deleting the user, checking if the user is ID valid or not, all those things. And implementation will contain the concrete definition of that methods. Okay, so this you people would have been understood in the DAO layer, which happens to be my basic training. Okay, so apart from that, the other packages what we have written is com AKLC servlet. So this is the core file, because on click of anything in the front end, like you click on login, you click on this login button. So say you enter the ID password, you click on login button, some program in the back end will be executed and it will be checking whether my ID password is correct or not. Okay, so we call them as servlet. Servlets are the one which will be integrating the business logic in the back end and the presentation logic in the front end. So servlets will be one who will be speaking with the client. Okay, so on click of login, if you can go to inspect element, okay, so you can clearly see on click of that login. So we are making a call to login customer in the form action. We are making a call to login customer. So what you need to do is, you need to go there under web.inf web.xml. So there you need to control F, find that where is that login customer. So you can see that on click of that login button, com AKLC servlet login customer servlet will be called. Login customer servlet will be called, so which will be reading the email and password that I entered there. So it will be checking if I am a valid user or not. If I am a valid user, it will redirecting me to welcome.jsp. If I am an invalid user, it will redirect back to login page only. Okay, so that's the kind of business logic I will be providing. So basically com AKLC servlet will contain all the servlets. So any click in the front end, we will be having a servlet to process it in the back end. Okay, so we have a package called com AKLC mail. So this package will contain the mail service implementation, like sender authentication.java will provide the sender email ID. So the email will be triggered from ASP, right? Okay, it will be triggered from the email ID that you have mentioned here. Okay, So that's about ASP. And affiliate app is the website we are going to get. Okay, this one. So this is the affiliate app. So what you're seeing here is the affiliate app. Okay, so this doesn't contain the backend part much. So it contains the front end patch. Okay, so the first thing is the product list.jsp. Okay, the product list.jsp will contain the entire categories. Products .jsp is this one. On click of anything, so what you are going to see is the products.jsp, and on click of any single product, right, it will load single.jsp. Okay, so all these details will be present here. Okay, basically they will consume the JSON data and they will be rendering it. Okay, but who provides that JSON data? The Spring application. Okay, so if you can see under the Spring, you have written a package called com AKLC controller. Inside com AKLC controller you have allow controller. So inside allow controller you will be having 3 methods. Okay, you will be having two methods actually. This is not required. So you'll be having a method called /dir, and you'll be having a method called /product list. Okay, product list. So this /dir is a method. I mean, it's a web service actually. So this will be used to get the category. Okay, the product category. So this part. So this will be used to get that the entire product category dir. Okay. On click of any one of the category, so that to get the list of all the products under that category, so we have the second one, product list. Okay, so if you can see here, you have service.get product category map. Okay, so here we are implementing that JSON consumer. Okay, so Flipkart base URL. So we are making a call to this Flipkart, and we are getting that the entire JSON. So like we are executing the get request with respect to Flipkart. So once we got the entire JSON, so we are iterating over each category. Okay, and each category we are putting it inside a map and we are returning it. So what we are returning is a map containing the list of all the category. Okay. So under the second one, product list. Okay, if you can see here, get products. So here also we are making a call to the same API. Okay, and we will be getting the entire products, each and every product. So here we are mapping them. So it will be, the Flipkart will be giving you huge number of data, but whatever data we require, we are fetching it. Like we required title, description, image, maximum price, selling price, okay, product URL, rank, in stock, cash on delivery available or not. So all those things we will be getting, and we will be mapping it into our products. So this is one of the module. Okay, mapping Flipkart data into product detail, right? So this is that mapping. Okay, that we will be doing it here. Right, and what will be returned from each of these methods is the JSON data. So as a JSON producer actually, so that JSON data produced by our Spring application will be used by affiliate app from these JSPs, to render the pages like this. Okay, so that's about the high-level code explanation what you need to know in minimum. So thank you so much.